The CHIRP Configuration submenu, found under the Setup menu tab, gives you complete control of all of your CHIRP sonar transmissions. Using this submenu, you can turn CHIRP sonar transmissions on or off for any of your available sonar techniques. When CHIRP is enabled, you can also control the specific frequency range being transmitted for each technique. However, when CHIRP is disabled, your Helix will transmit only a single frequency for that technique. Under the Setup menu tab, select CHIRP Configuration using the up and down arrow keys. Then, press the right arrow key to enter the submenu. Now, use the four-way arrow key to enable or disable CHIRP and to adjust the CHIRP frequency range for any of your available techniques. Under most circumstances, you'll enjoy the maximum benefits from CHIRP sonar by using the widest available frequency range.